TrueLearn, a Python library for scalable learner modeling. TrueLearn is an easy-to-use open-source Python library that contains a family of online, lightweight learner modeling algorithms that provide a humanly intuitive learner representation. The algorithms included in the TrueLearn library are published in world-renowned venues such as AAAI Conference and the Journal for Sustainability, and the datasets that are included with this library are also published in the Educational Data Mining Conference as well. The library structure is inspired by popular machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn, which makes it easy for machine learning developers and educational data mining practitioners to use this library. It contains pre-processing steps to extract features from learning materials, public datasets, utilities to access the learner models, the learning submodule that contains the algorithms themselves, and other utilities to evaluate the models and also visualize the learner models constructed by the TrueLearn models. The library is easy to use. It can be installed with a simple pip install, and it contains a wealth of examples on how to visualize the learner models that are constructed, also code examples on how to run experiments using the learner models, and also how to incorporate that in a prediction environment. The API is also very well documented with all the different classes and functions that are available with coding examples associated with it. We encourage you to try it out.